What's up, everyone? Or shall I say, good morning. This is me locking up at home and getting ready for my commute to Wilmington to go play at Lifepoint Church. And as you can see, it's 4:56 a.m. So my commute takes me out of Lake Waccamaw onto 74. And this is where I listen to my music once I set my cruise. We have a practice track that is given out to us through our Planning Center app. And I rehearse these songs on my steering wheel on the drive up.
Verse 2, 3, 4.
And as you can tell, we run tracks with a click and guide.
1, 2, intro, 2, 3, 4.
Right here's a good example of me tapping on the wheel.
Interlude, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Just getting off the bridge, coming into Wilmington, about 10 minutes away now. And here is the music store where I got my first drum set when I was 14. I passed by every Sunday on my way to Lifepoint. We have arrived. Now, I'm going to take you inside with me, and you're going to get to experience our rehearsal and our run-through in the process of which we put everything together to do these 3 services. One of the first things I do when I first walk in is speak to my buddy, my music director, Alex. We talk about our week a little bit, and then it's time to get behind the kit. So in this clip here, I'm just checking everything, making sure all the drums are in the right place from where someone else may have played during the week, and making sure everything's in tune. We usually fire the first song, and we use this time to get our ears right. Everyone uses in-ear monitors, and we each have our mixing station next to us, where we're able to set our levels for each instrument or vocal. I got you. Oh yeah. I understand your language. In the last clip, you could overhear my worship leader and I discussing how to retard the ending of the last song so we have a smooth transition going into the next. And that's something that we work pretty hard at each Sunday to make sure that everything has a nice flow to it. Yeah, because I have to have time to get to the... So... Yeah. Let's try that again. Let's see if I can get faster. You're about to see where the transitions are super important. So this one, it is taking quite a few times, you'll see, where I'm having to switch from sticks to brushes back to sticks again. So just sit back, grab some popcorn, and enjoy this one. I bet y'all didn't know I was a part-time juggler, huh? hold on. Try that again. Don't try to put those in there. Why? Sometimes you have no clue why you make the moves you make. Can we do that one more time? Yeah. I know what I'm gonna do this time. I don't know if you saw me, but my brain said, what do I do with these? Finally, a successful try, and we made it. Yeah, that would feel way better. I got it now. Now that rehearsal is finished, it's 7 o'clock and we are starting our entire run through of the service, and then we will be finished around 7:30, 7:35 and be prepared for our 8 o'clock service. I left a few of these clips in so you could kind of get a gist of how everything sounds, and this is just coming through GoPro audio. It's not the highest quality, but Lifepoint also has a YouTube channel where they post all of their services there, and everything is ran at such a high level, and I'm just very thankful to be a part of this. I have such a great team and a lot of amazing people that I get to work with every Sunday, and I wouldn't want to be anywhere else. So hope you enjoy the last bit of this. There is a full day for me at Lifepoint Church and a normal Sunday. This is me heading out of Wilmington, heading back to the promised land, to Lake Waccamaw, back home. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch this. Hopefully you've made it this far. If you would, check out mattdudleydrumming.com and also the Matt Dudley Drumming podcast. And until next time, I'll see you later.